News Essay. Today we take a look at how you can make an extra income by making R500 per referral. Referring a friend to Yoko is the #1 way to be a better friend, and you get paid for doing it. When you share Yoko with someone you know, and they're able to join and grow, Yoko rewards you in cash. Not just for getting us a new customer, but for helping them on their mission to open up commerce for more of the self-employed. And as a Yoko customer yourself, you know how great Yoko's been for helping businesses to grow. It's so much more than just a payments platform, it's a whole ecosystem of resources and connections. Turns out doing good has never tasted this sweet. Each Yoko customer gets a unique referral link from the Yoko portal or app. Whether you're using a card machine or one of our online products, it's all the same. You can send this link to fellow friends who are self-employed, and who you think would benefit from getting Yoko. Anyone who signs up using your unique referral link will be eligible to get you that money. Your friends will also get R100 off whichever Yoko card machine they buy, thanks to your unique referral link. They'll want to be your friend forever. Plus, you can refer as many people as you like. Selling something to a friend, especially when it impacts their business, is not to be taken lightly. Even when it's just a restaurant recommendation, we all tend to feel partly responsible for their experience. That's why it's so important to know exactly why you think Yoko would help your self-employed friend. When you refer someone to Yoko, you're not just getting them a discount on a card machine, you're introducing them to a whole new, improved, way of doing business. Once the person you referred to Yoko has successfully joined, bought a card machine, transacted, and been paid out over R1000, Yoko will pay you R500. You'll get the cash in the same bank account that's linked with your Yoko profile, and it'll be part of your total settlement amount for that day's payout. Each time someone signs up for Yoko and buys a card machine using your referral link, you'll be notified, so you'll always know what's up. Once someone who signed up with your referral link transacts enough to be paid out R1000, Yoko will send you another email letting you know it's time to get rewarded with that money. You'll also always be able to track exactly what's happening with your referrals in the Yoko portal or app. Thanks for watching, that's all for today.